Hi guys, NCWQ here. Today is 9/7/2023 and the time is 5:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sorry I haven't been on the last few days. I have not been feeling well. Today I'm finally feeling somewhat better and actually managed to get out of my house for a little bit and soak in some sun. So please give me some leeway this week as I work on feeling 100% again. Okay, so I have y'all looking at NOAA, and as you can see, we have Tropical Storm Margot, who is formed, and Margot is moving west-northwest at 17 miles per hour. And we have Hurricane Lee, who has sustained winds of 130 miles per hour. The movement is west-northwest at 13 knots or 15 miles per hour. So let's take a good look here at our path. As we can see, Lee is going to become a monster hurricane, and that will be before Saturday. So as of 5 p.m. Thursday, Lee will be right about here. So Lee is right around here now as a major hurricane. Lee has sustained winds of 130 miles per hour, which I believe is Cat 4, so let's look. Categories, sorry. Cat 4 is 130 to 156 miles per hour. So Hurricane Lee is a major hurricane at 130 miles per hour. Now they are forecasting this hurricane to come up this way and turn. However, because of a trough that is setting up over here, it will depend on where that trough is at if this hurricane makes it to shore or not. Now, to be honest, if this hurricane reaches us as a Cat 4, Cat 5 in this area, it is going to be destructive. So if it does, I don't plan on being anywhere near here because at a Cat 3 we had before, I left and I will do it again. Um, a Cat 3 is nothing to play around with. Anyways, let's see what else this is showing here. This is our tropical storm force wind probabilities. This is preliminary. You can see that the deep green is 5 to 10% chance, where the lighter green is 10 to 20, the lightest green is 20 to 30, the yellow is 30 to 40, the darker yellow is 40 to 50, the brown is 50 to 60, inside the orange is 60 to 70, the red is 70 to 80, the darker red is 80 to 90, and the purple is 90 to 100% of the winds. So you would go by this, and even if it does turn, there's still going to be beach erosion, and that is something to look forward to. I am hoping that this hurricane will turn and will not make it to the continental United States, but we're going to have to keep an eye on it. Okay, so let's look at our track here. The track puts it up here by the Dominican Republic, past the Dominican Republic Monday at 8 p.m. So it will be up here around this area off Bermuda and Dominican Republic and Haiti. So I believe Puerto Rico is here. I'm not sure. Anyways, this little island here is going to have to be prepared, as well as some of these islands down through here and the Bahamas as well. So let's take a look at our our earthquakes for today. I do know that there was a big earthquake last night, so I'm going to go back and find it real quick. It was a 6.2 Coquimbo, Chile. And let's open up Google Earth real quick. And we can see where this Chile earthquake was. You can see that this one was on land. Puerto Valero is right here. So this would have been felt. And let's take a look at the news. We'll look at AP. And it says a powerful 6.2 magnitude earthquake shakes northern Chile. Santiago, Chile is 6.2. This says September 6, 2023. Well, yeah, this is September. August, September, duh. Okay, so a magnitude 6.2 earthquake shook Chile on Wednesday, but there were no immediate reports of damage or injuries. The U.S. Geological Survey said the earthquake struck at 8:48 p.m. local time, and its epicenter was 41 kilometers southwest of Coquimbo, Chile. The quake had a depth of 41 kilometers or 25 miles. Chile's National Emergency Office did not report any damage or injuries. Chile is located in the so-called Ring of Fire in the Pacific and experiences frequent earthquakes. In 2010, a magnitude 8.8 earthquake and subsequent tsunami claimed 526 lives. Okay, so that is the news for that earthquake. So let's see what we have for today. We had a 4.2 Ryukyu, Japan. Let's go and look at USGS and see what USGS will show us. Okay, you can see the 6.2 Coquimbo, Chile. It was here. 4.7 Banda Sea. We had a 3.0 Southern Alaska. 2.5 East Southeast of Pinnacles, California. 2.5 Indios, Puerto Rico. 3.4 Hatilo, Puerto Rico. 5.1 Pacific Antarctic Ridge down here. 5.2 Pacific Antarctic Ridge, same area. 4.8 Vinchia, Argentina, over here, South America. 4.3 Antofagasta, Chile, over here. 4.3 Paducuesta, Colombia, over here. 3.3 west of Anchor Point, Alaska. 4.3 near the coast of Coquimbo, Chile, over here. 2.9 4 kilometers west-southwest of Walker, California, over here. 2.8 264 kilometers southeast of Attu Station, Alaska, which is over here. 4.3 Gorontalo, Indonesia, which is over here. 4.5 Komandorskaya, Ostrova, Russia region. 4.5 west-southwest of Marizo Village, Guam. You can see Guam is right here. 3.2, 13 kilometers south of Redway, California, which is here. 5.1, Palu Palu, Talod, Indonesia, over here. 4.5, northern Xinjiang, China, and that was a 4.5. And a 2.5, 5 kilometers south-southeast of Indios, Puerto Rico. So let's take a look at Oregon Live Map. Let's see here. What is this one? That was on the 5th, and it was a 3.1 off the coast of Washington. Sorry, I have not been on in a few days, so I'm taking a look at this along with you guys to see what's going on in life here. This one was on the 6th, so that was yesterday. It was a 2.3, 13 kilometers north of Double Springs, Alabama. That's interesting. September 7th, today, there was a 2.3, 2 kilometers north of Blytheville, Arkansas. Now, this is an interesting area here because I believe this is the New Madrid. This one was 9 kilometers north of New Madrid, Missouri. This was on the 5th. And this one was on the 5th as well. It was a 2.1, September 5th, 3 kilometers northwest of Marston, Missouri. And this is the line between Missouri and Tennessee. And that one was yesterday. There was a 2.6, 12 kilometers south-southeast of Wellensburg, Colorado. Okay, you guys, that has been your real quick update. I hope y'all are doing well. I can't talk too much because I'm having problems. Still have a cough going on. So drinking lots of water, trying to get healthy, taking vitamin D, vitamin B, vitamin C, honey, zinc. No, I don't have COVID, but I do know that I just been sick and not feeling well and had a cough and you know how that goes. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. I hope y'all are doing great. Check below my video for any links. Join a group on Facebook. Also, remember to check out Emergency Management Association channel with Ron. He does great updates in the evening. Anyways, you guys, much love, God bless, and please take care.